A parent-teacher committee consisting of 4 people is to be selected from 15 parents and 5 teachers. Find the probability of selecting 2 parents and 2 teachers. So the number of ways that I can select 4 people from the 20 total people is 20C4. Now on the numerator, I want to find the number of ways that I can select 2 parents from the 15 total parents. So that's 15C2, as well as how many ways I can select 2 teachers from the total of 5 teachers. And then I want to multiply those. So this is going to be 105 times 10 over 4,845, which is 1,050 over 4,845, which reduces to 70 over 323. So that is the probability that the committee has 2 parents and 2 teachers.